Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by proving you own the device. Sign into the original Google account used before the reset, or begin Google's account recovery. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi stays connected and the battery is sufficient. The recovery flow may require multiple attempts. If you cannot recall the account, immediately collect receipts, IMEI, and serial numbers. These are crucial when contacting support. This approach preserves security while moving toward legitimately regaining access. Continue by using the official recovery avenues. Go through Google's account recovery, prompts on another device, and follow every verification step. This is how you re-establish account ownership. If recovery fails, contact the phone manufacturer's support and request their authenticated unlock or service center process. They will require ID and purchase proof to remove factory reset protection. Make sure to explain the device history and provide exact IMEI and serial. This keeps the process lawful, and to finish, follow the steps provided by Google or the manufacturer to sign in and then remove the device from your account before performing any factory reset. That prevents relocking. If an official remote fix isn't possible, visit an authorized service center with ID and purchase proof so staff can validate ownership and assist. If things go wrong, the single most useful troubleshooting step is showing original proof of purchase. Service teams
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.